Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received problem. So if you just try to open WhatsApp at the first time, you can find select your language and then select agree and continue, and right now you just need to type your phone number for verification, also sign in. You just need to put your phone number, and after that if you can get verification code, you can sign in. But if you cannot get verification code on WhatsApp, so how can you solve this problem? In this video I'll show you that. So first of all, you just need to go on your phone settings, and then if you just scroll down, you can find option settings, also apps, select it, select manage apps, and right now you just need to find out WhatsApp on here. So this is WhatsApp, select it and select permission, and if you just scroll down in this privacy section, you just need to select allow, 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 read your contact, allow, get device info, sorry, don't need this, access contact, allow, clipboard, allow. So after doing that, I hope if you put your phone number on here, and after that you can easily get also read WhatsApp verification code on WhatsApp, and in this way you can fix your problem. So that's it guys, I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.